Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something a little different. I was tagged by Donna from Donna Unboxes to do the 15 fall questions tag. I will be tagging people at the end of this video, and I have a list. I have a lot. Also check out Donna. She is so sweet and just genuinely funny person. So definitely check Donna out, and like I said, her information will be below as well. So I'm going to get started with these, which the first one is favorite Halloween movie. I have like 3. There was a Winnie the Pooh one that my kids always liked, and I know this is like a little kiddish, but it's nostalgic. So I think it was called Winnie the Pooh Booty You 2, I think is what it was called, but also Hocus Pocus, which I think a lot of people like. And what was the last one? I don't know, I don't hear too much about these, but my kids and I discovered them. It's Scary Godmother. It is a cartoon, and it's Scary Godmother, and then there's The Revenge of Jimmy, and we own both of them. And that, for my kids, like, they love that. As soon as we start watching that, you know it's like Halloween time. So, which they'll be watching them October 1st, I'm sure. Next question, apple pie or pumpkin? I would definitely say pumpkin, even though I do like apple. Halloween party or explore haunted places? I do not like to be scared, so definitely Halloween party for me. Favorite fall scent? I like the scent, you know, the pumpkin scent, like a pumpkin scented candle, but I prefer like an apple cinnamon kind of thing. Favorite fall drink? I have 2 coarse pumpkin spice lattes, but also hot apple cider. That's delicious. Halloween or Thanksgiving? I would say Thanksgiving, because even though I'd be outvoted in this house because everybody in my family loves Halloween, probably like more than all the holidays, but I like Thanksgiving because it's just everybody comes together and it's relaxing. Other than the cooking, and the cooking everybody pitches in, and you know, it's just a family day. It's a relaxing day. I love Thanksgiving. Next is most loved pumpkin-based food. My mom has this recipe for pumpkin chip cookies. I don't even know where she got it, but I have it now, and I don't make it every year, and I probably should, but it is from scratch. It makes like 6 dozen, and as a kid, I remember her making it and bringing it into any kind of Halloween or fall parties that we might have had in elementary school. Those were a hit. They were fantastic. And the next one is a corn maze or haunted hayride. Well, I hate being scared, so I would have to say corn maze. Favorite candy to eat at Halloween? All candy. I love all candy. I love sweets. I have a major sweet tooth. It's a problem. But my favorite one that would be like seasonal, I guess, is Witch's Kisses, which I think they're also called peanut butter kisses, but they're like the taffy things that have like peanut butter inside. Love those. Favorite childhood memory of fall? I think that would be my mom bringing in those, a couple of things actually. My mom bringing in those chocolate chip cookies, the pumpkin chip cookies, to school parties. And I love the little school parties. But also dressing up. My mom made all of our costumes by hand. And I mean, we didn't have a lot of money, like, at all. So she was very ingenious with how she did it. I remember a Sigmund the Sea Monster costume, and she, I don't know how many of you are old enough to remember what Sigmund the Sea Monster was, but she took the rags, she took a bunch of rags and dyed them green and sewed them one at a time onto this big sheet. It was a heavy, heavy costume. And I won a prize in like our local, we had like a Halloween parade in our little small town. Favorite Thanksgiving food would be mashed potatoes and gravy. My mom's homemade gravy. I still haven't learned how to make that. Sweaters or scarves? I would have to say sweaters. I'm not a big scarf person, but I do like my sweaters to be like a thinner knit. I don't like big bulky sweaters. Wool socks or slippers? I actually wear slippers all the time, even in the summer. Like, I'll have bare feet and slippers, but my slippers are the kind that like go over your whole foot. You know, you put them on like a little, almost like a little ballet slipper kind of thing. Let's see, and then what is your favorite fall tradition? Well, I'm trying to think. Now with my kids, we go to, there's a specific local farm that has grown and grown and grown, and now they have like slides and the hay rides, and then I mean they do the haunted attractions on Friday and Saturday night. Actually, Skylar and Alexa have both worked those, which was fun for them, and Evan wants to do it eventually. But during the daytime they just have you know, like the normal fall stuff. So going there at least once a season is probably our favorite fall tradition. So that is all the questions. I was trying to see my time. Oh, not too bad. Okay, I have to keep cutting out. I have to keep editing this because I have a little bit of a cough and I'm trying not to cough on video. Okay, so now on to who I'm gonna tag. I have a lot. I'm sorry, Donna, if I'm breaking some rules here, but I just thought these are people I thought would enjoy participating. If you don't want to participate, that's totally fine. If you can't for whatever reason, that's totally fine as well. I was going to tell you about each of the channels, but I'm afraid it'll be too long. But I will, you know, try to put them on the screen or something. The first one is Mommy and Kimberly's Adventures. Karina. The Esars, that is Claudia. I hope I'm saying your last name right, Claudia. I hope so. I think it's the Esars. Anyway, Claudia, you were tagged. Patty's Unboxings and stuff. Patty. Tennessee Kim. Kim, you are tagged. Harrington Family, that is Sherry, you are tagged. Brandy Wig, I'm not sure how to say your last name, Brandy. It's W-E-I-G. Robin Sadowski. Hello Amy Cat, that's Amy. Lisa's Paradise, so Lisa, you are tagged. Emily's Ideas, Emily, you were tagged. Daisy from BU Toffle Life. And also one more, my daughter Skylar. Skylar, you are tagged. She has a channel called Sky Time. Go check her out. Actually, go check out all of these people. And they're all really good channels. I enjoy watching all of these ladies. So if you can do this, do it. Have fun. If you weren't tagged and you wanted to be, I'm sorry, but feel free to do it. Like, I don't really think... you know, I don't think it's a big deal. I think we're just trying to have fun with this. And, you know, I just like hearing what everybody else enjoys, how they all answer the questions, you know, some of their memories. Because it does trigger memories. When you go to do it, you kind of start thinking about your past, you know, Halloween, Thanksgiving and stuff. So anyway, thank you, Donna, so much for tagging me. And I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know the next time I upload a video. Thank you all. Have a great day. Bye.